Do you ever feel like your money disappears as quickly as it arrives? It's a common feeling, and you're not alone. Many people struggle with managing their finances effectively. Do you wish you had a better handle on your finances? Imagine the peace of mind that comes with knowing exactly where your money is going and having a plan for every dollar. The answer is simple: budgeting. It's not just about cutting back, it's about making informed decisions and prioritizing your spending. Budgeting is the key to unlocking financial freedom and achieving your financial goals. It allows you to save for the future, pay off debt, and enjoy life without financial stress. It's about taking control of your money instead of letting it control you. By setting clear financial goals and tracking your progress, you can make your money work for you. In this essay, we'll break down why budgeting is so important. We'll cover the basics and delve into advanced strategies to help you stay on track. We'll explore its many benefits and provide practical tips to get you started. From setting up a budget to sticking to it, we've got you covered. Whether you're starting from scratch or looking to improve your financial habits, this guide will empower you to take charge of your money and build a brighter financial future. Let's get started on this journey to financial empowerment together. Budgeting doesn't have to be a scary word. It's simply a plan for your money. Think of it as a roadmap for your finances. You wouldn't start a road trip without knowing your destination and how to get there, would you? Budgeting is about making conscious choices about how you spend and save your money. It involves tracking your income and expenses, then allocating your funds accordingly. By creating a budget, you gain clarity on where your money is going and can make informed decisions about your spending habits. One of the most significant benefits of budgeting is the financial control it provides. When you budget, you're no longer in the dark about your finances. You know exactly how much money you have coming in and where it's going. This awareness allows you to identify areas where you might be overspending and make necessary adjustments. It empowers you to make conscious decisions about your spending, ensuring that your money is working for you, not against you. Debt can be a significant source of stress and anxiety. Whether it's credit card debt, student loans, or personal loans, budgeting can be your secret weapon to tackle it head-on. By creating a budget, you can allocate more money toward debt repayment each month. This focused approach helps you pay down debt faster and save money on interest payments in the long run. Section 5. Reaching your savings goals. We all have dreams and aspirations, whether it's buying a home, saving for retirement, or taking that dream vacation. Budgeting is the foundation for turning these dreams into reality. By setting aside a specific amount each month for savings, you'll be amazed at how quickly your money can grow. Budgeting provides the discipline and structure needed to consistently save and reach your financial goals. Section 6. Preparing for the unexpected. Life is full of surprises, and not all of them are pleasant. Unexpected expenses, such as medical bills, car repairs, or job loss, can derail even the most carefully crafted financial plans. That's where an emergency fund comes in. Budgeting allows you to build a financial safety net by setting aside money specifically for unexpected events. Having this cushion provides peace of mind and protects you from financial hardship during challenging times. Section 7. Budgeting for peace of mind. Financial stress can take a toll on your well-being. It can lead to anxiety, sleeplessness, and even relationship problems. The good news is that budgeting can significantly reduce financial stress. When you have a clear understanding of your income, expenses, and financial goals, you're less likely to feel overwhelmed or anxious about money. Budgeting brings order and control to your finances, leading to greater peace of mind and overall well-being. Section 8. Finding the right budgeting method. There's no one-size-fits-all approach to budgeting. Each person has unique financial goals, spending habits, and income levels. The best method is the one that works best for you and your lifestyle. It's important to find a system that you can stick to consistently. Here are a few popular options to consider. The 50-30-20 rule. This simple method allocates 50% of your after-tax income to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings and debt repayment. It's straightforward and easy to follow. Zero-based budgeting. This detailed approach involves accounting for every dollar of your income and assigning it a specific purpose. It requires more effort, but can provide a clear picture of where your money is going. The goal is to have $0 left over at the end of the month. This method can help you avoid overspending and ensure every dollar is utilized effectively. The envelope system. This cash-based method involves dividing your cash into different envelopes labeled with specific spending categories. It's a great way to control spending and stay within your budget. Once an envelope is empty, you've reached your spending limit for that category. This method can help you develop discipline and avoid unnecessary expenses. Experiment with different methods to find the one that resonates with you and fits your financial habits. Remember, the key to successful budgeting is consistency and finding a method that you can maintain over the long term. Section 9. Tips for budgeting success. Here are some practical tips to help you succeed with budgeting. Track your spending. Use a budgeting app, spreadsheet, or notebook to track every dollar you spend. This will help you understand your spending habits and identify areas where you can cut back. This will give you a clear picture of where your money is going. Knowing your spending patterns is the first step to taking control of your finances. Set realistic goals. Start with small, achievable goals and gradually work your way up to larger ones. For example, aim to save a small percentage of your income each month and increase it over time. This will make the budgeting process less daunting and more sustainable. Achieving small goals will motivate you to keep going and set bigger goals. Adjust as needed. Life is constantly changing, and so are your financial needs. Whether it's an unexpected expense or a change in income, be flexible with your budget. Don't be afraid to adjust your budget as needed to accommodate new expenses or income changes. Regularly review your budget to ensure it aligns with your current financial situation. Use tools and apps. Leverage technology to your advantage. There are countless budgeting apps and software programs that can simplify the process and provide valuable insights into your spending habits. These tools can help you set reminders, track your progress, and even offer tips on how to save more effectively. Explore different options to find the one that best suits your needs. Remember, budgeting is a journey, not a destination. It's about making continuous improvements and adapting to changes over time. Be patient with yourself, celebrate your successes, and don't be afraid to ask for help if you need it. Whether it's from a financial advisor or a trusted friend, support can make a big difference.